So what do we got going on?
So that little jump, you can see my radiator. Now it's crooked. You can see the radiator?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see how crooked it is.
I can't wait to see the spot in the
Let me show you the splitter.
You're probably not going to do a spot split doing it, because I like the casual little...
Yeah.
You can like...
So all things considered, you can see the brunt over here. The radiator absorbs some of it. That.
I'm going the other way.
The oil pan got a little dent from this right here, but it's nothing. The radiator's not leaking.
Okay, no, he's not trustworthy.
Oil pan is not leaking.
Go the other way.
Almost. I got him almost unscathed. The only thing that's gonna hurt now is my pocket. You know, I'm either me or Eric is gonna go grab a new one in Atlanta, and he's gonna bring it. Then I'm still trying to see if I need a tie rod end, because I think literally it just bent, and that's why my steering angle is like that. But the bottom of the car is fine. You're gonna see.
You, the guy she tells you not to worry about.
So you can see here, we got a little dent on my oil pan, right here, and then my exhaust got a little additional dent. It's already dented. The subframe got hit pretty hard here, no major bends, and then the chassis itself over there got another ding. But overall, I think I made it out pretty good. I'm not gonna trying to see if the tie rod is actually damaged or not, because I think it literally might have bent the subframe and might be causing my alignment situation.
Alright. What's up, y'all? It's day 2. I'm Gio, Lander's good friend. He's out grabbing parts for his car right now because we had a little oops yesterday. Or he did. Giving him a hand with his car while he's going to grab the splitter to replace it. But I do a 2-hour drive, endurance drive, to go get the car aligned. We got some amazing zip tie technician going on here for the radiator bracket on this side. It's missing in action. Today so far has been spent kind of just wrenching in the car, and some folk having mechanical issues. Not a whole lot of driving, unfortunately, but we're trying to rush it to get it going and hopefully be ready for tomorrow and primarily for Royal Atlanta track day, so we really can hammer down on the cars and had a good fun time. Not go for PBs, but silently we might go for PBs.
My name's Doug. I'm the alignment specialist here at Eurospec. We're out here in Louisville, Tennessee. We're about 50 minutes from the overlook on the Dragon. Got this K-swap NB Miata in here. Unfortunately, he had a little off-road experience in the Dragon. He unfortunately bent the subframe, so the caster reading is pretty terrible. I was able to kind of finagle it a little bit to where it wasn't almost 3 degrees difference. I did have to sacrifice a little bit of camber to make it straight, but we got the specs close to what he wanted it. Unfortunately, just not enough caster with the bent subframe. However, he'll still be able to drive it, still be able to go to Road Atlanta on Wednesday with Jay Zilla and have a good time.
So you guys saw that Gio ended up taking my car to get realigned. So my subframe is slightly bent. So a 100% matching alignment on both sides is probably unlikely until I replace the subframe itself. That being said, while he was doing that, I went to literally 9 Lives Racing to acquire a replacement splitter. But the interesting thing about that is that this is literally, I'm the second person in the country to put it in their car. That's gonna put it in the car. And they don't have instructions. When I went there, Johnny and one of his workers was showing me how to put it together, but I didn't really pay that much attention. But I will eventually figure it out. I'm on the website trying to like figure some things out by the images they're putting. And it's just six hours round trip. All I've been doing today is just drive a F-250 on the highway. But there's so much stuff here. I'm familiar with these because these are like exactly like the other ones. These are like the ones that go on the car. But this quick release, quick disconnect kit looks pretty nice. And it's new material, a new air dam, because you can see mine's over there was broken. And Juan now is doing his fenders, rolling his fenders to put his very expensive coils, adjustable coils. I think they were like at least $4,000 or something. Or was it $4?
Yeah, the external reservoir max speeding rods.
Max speeding. Oh, so you're gonna be speeding now?
Yeah. The external reservoir is then leaking.
Nice.
Immediately.
Oh, they're already leaking?
Probably. We'll see. I trust China.
So we are here in day 3. And I actually got some good sleep. I think for the most part, everybody got some good sleep last night. Gio actually went out to do some runs on the Dragon to see his oil pressures, if they're stable. And I am here finishing up putting my car back together. Thanks to the help of my friends. They got it to get aligned, and I went to 9 Lives to get my brand new splitter. I'm just here. Oh, and I added some ducting to my oil cooler, which I still need to trim out a little bit. It's aluminum tape and some, I don't know what's the name of that material?
Like a lawn cutting or lawn foam board.
Yeah, it's pretty sturdy, and I think it'll hold up. I still need to bump out my fender over there because it's making contact with the tire. My radiator, I need to figure out a better support situation because since it's crooked, questionable, it kind of interferes with the splitter. That being said, I think I'll be doing a couple passes today regardless of if the radiator lines up or not. I'll just strap it down with something. And it's been pretty hectic. I'm tired, but at the same time, I'm excited for tomorrow, Road Atlanta. But today is just gonna be, probably might go tubing or white water rafting, something like that. Ray's leaving today, is his last day here, and we wanna do something. Let's see if we do anything there, but I'm tired. All right, so once again, we are working on another car. Well, Nick's car again. And we were at the Overlook. Goddamn, Juan, that light is killing me. And you're lighting the engine. I need a light over here.
I don't want to get in front of the camera. I'm sorry.
You're good, bro. You're good on camera, man. You look cute. But we went to the Overlook. We actually saw a cop on the way to the Overlook, but we didn't get in trouble, unlike Austin. But now we have Nick's car that decided to take a shit, and we're fixing it as soon as possible so we can load him up and we can get our cars on the trailer and be ready for tomorrow, Road Atlanta. But, so what did we do today? Look at you backing up the truck the whole way, dude. What a savage. He didn't want to turn it over there? Why didn't he turn it over there? Whatever. So we have that going on. Now we have to load them up in a very low lit place. That's gonna be fun. You wanna join? You wanna join? Please join. We have more hands to use straps.
Look at the frog over there, right, Langer? See him on the floor? Right there. No, it's Kermit. Further out.
Oh, he's looking for Kermit.
Look, we got Kermit over here. Oh, he's so cute. No! No animal abuse, man. YouTube doesn't like that.
Now I'm getting demonetized.
Will you ever monetize?
Never. I'm hoping to be, and one day I'm monetized, make some money out of this shit.